Hello and welcome to DQ. Today's demo demonstrates how the Axe DevTools Extension supports accessibility testing directly inside the browser. Integrating the Axe DevTools Extension into your development workflow gives your team broader accessibility coverage with minimal effort, which helps you identify issues earlier and ship more accessible code more quickly. Catching issues earlier in development also reduces the amount of remediation required later, allowing teams to move faster and make better decisions as they build. To begin, open the page you want to evaluate. Then launch the Chrome DevTools and navigate to the Axe DevTools tab. From there, you could run a full page scan, which completes in seconds and provides an overview of accessibility coverage. You could also run more targeted scans on specific components, which is useful when focusing on areas that are actively being developed or updated. Advanced rules expand automated coverage by using AI to detect issues that often require manual testing, including problems with heading structure, focus indicators, color contrast, or image labeling. The Axe DevTools extension also supports broader workflows such as user flow analysis, which allows accessibility to be evaluated across multi-step user journeys. Once the scan completes, results appear immediately in the panel and are grouped by severity and impact. Selecting an issue highlights the corresponding element on the page, making it easier to inspect and understand the problem in context. Each issue includes a clear explanation along with a link to DQ University, where you can learn more about the issue and how to fix it. Results are organized so teams can focus on the most important issues without unnecessary noise, and the explanations help testers understand what needs to be fixed without requiring deep accessibility expertise. To expand coverage beyond automated testing, the Axe DevTools extension includes Intelligent Guided Tests, or IGTs for short. These are designed for scenarios that require human evaluation, such as keyboard behavior, complex interactions, or structural elements. IGTs walk you through a series of guided questions that help you evaluate accessibility step by step, using a structured approach informed by accessibility best practices. AI and machine learning assist throughout this process by helping evaluate responses and explain outcomes, which reduces manual effort and speeds up testing while increasing overall coverage. To start an intelligent guided test, select the option to begin a new scan and choose from the available tests, which cover areas like keyboard navigation, modal dialogues, interactive elements, lists, images, and forms. Each test presents simple questions that guide you through the evaluation, helping you identify issues that automated scans alone cannot detect while providing additional support through AI-driven insights. After completing an intelligent guided test, you could use the replay feature to run the same test again automatically. This allows you to retest experiences as the application evolves, confirming that fixes have been applied and detect any new issues without repeating the full manual process. Over time, this turns guided testing into a repeatable workflow that helps teams validate changes more efficiently. When testing is complete, results could be saved and shared with your team. You could select specific issues to include in a report, export them in your preferred format, and integrate them into tools like Jira so remediation can be tracked within your existing workflow. Individual issues can also be shared directly, making it easier to collaborate and take action. By integrating the Axe DevTools extension into your workflow, accessibility testing becomes part of the development process rather than something that happens later. With a combination of automated scans, guided testing, and AI-assisted evaluation, teams can detect issues earlier, reduce remediation effort, and build more accessible and inclusive digital experiences. Thanks for watching.